What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do the gaming review of Huawei Mate 10 Lite. And let me tell you the specifications of the device. It is having the Kirin 659 processor, which is an octa-core processor, and it is having a 4 GB of RAM. So this is a very handy device which is in the mid-range by the Huawei. And as you know that we usually start with this application, and you can see the battery percentage is at 75 and the temperature of the device 29 Celsius. So let's start with our casual games right away, and we usually start with the Temple Run 2. So let this gameplay start, and we will check out now that how these games play on this device and how well this device can handle the load of such heavy games and these casual games. And we will check out the performance of this device by looking at the battery percentage and the temperature level of this device. So let's start the first game, and you can see this is the Temple Run 2 and it's going great. There is no lag, and the frame rate in my opinion is just up to the mark, and it is not of that quality that you can say that it is great, but it is a good frame rate and it's going great on this device. Actually the display is very big, it is 18:9 aspect ratio, and the sound quality on this device also is very great. It is very shrill and beautiful sound coming out of this device. So you can see that we have started the gameplay, and let this gameplay of casual games finish, and after that we will check out the battery percentage and the temperature of the device, and we will analyze the capabilities of this device. So let this complete and we will check it after the gameplay. So guys, after playing 3 casual games, and the battery has dropped to 74 Celsius and it has been heated to 33 Celsius, and the back of the device is still cold. Maybe it is due to the weather. I don't know what's the reason, but it's going great and the casual games are now complete. So let's move to the heavier games now, and the first game of ours will be the Asphalt 8, and we have started the Asphalt 8. Let it just load. Let's start the play button and let's go into the carrier mode, and let's play the first lap. And you can see there is a bit of lag in here. As you can clearly see here that it lagged a bit. The frame rate was not good, but it will be tested into this game that how good this device can do by playing such heavy games. So let's start this game, and you can see this game is just about to start, and you can see the game is now playing. And in my opinion, the game is not doing great right now. There is some kind of lag in here in the frame rates. They are not up to the mark as they should have been by this processor. The overall performance of this game is good, but I am feeling a lag in here. I don't know what's the reason why it is lagging. You can see there is a lag while playing the Asphalt 8. I don't know what's the reason behind that, but it is doing. So you just watch out this gameplay and be your own judge that how you feel while playing this game on this device. So let this gameplay finish, and after that we will test out the battery percentage and the battery temperature. So guys, you can see the battery has dropped to 72%, which has drained the 2%, and the temperature is still at 33 Celsius, which is great to know. And in my opinion, this may be because of the cold weather outside here. Let's start the next game of ours, which is the Modern Combat 5, which is actually a very heavy game. Let's straight away start this game, and you can see the Modern Combat 5, and this game is actually doing great. There is no lag in this game, and the graphics are good. As I can clearly see, everything is just going smooth right now, and everything is just perfect. I don't know why the Asphalt 8 was lagging, but this game is going great and there is no lag. The frames are just awesome and good. You can see everything is just smooth and perfect. So maybe there are some issues with the optimization of the Asphalt 8 with this device, and in future those optimizations may be fixed. And as you can see clearly, this game is playing great on this device. So let this gameplay finish and we will check out the battery percentage and the temperature after that.
last of them.
Here, Ruth told me to give this to you so she can contact you.
And you can see clearly guys that battery has dropped to 70% and now it has heated a bit, that is 34 Celsius of the temperature, which is not that big difference. Only 2% of the battery is drained. And here is our last game, which is Real Racing 3, and now we will test out that how well this game can be played on this device. Actually this is a different kind of game than the Asphalt 8. The graphics are not so intense as they are in the Asphalt 8, so maybe this game can be played better on this device as compared to the Asphalt 8. I was very much disappointed with the performance of the Asphalt 8 on this cell phone. So you can see now that Real Racing 3 is doing great. This game is just going perfect and smooth. Everything is just awesome. The graphics, there is no lag, and the frame rates are awesome. So let this gameplay finish and we will check out performance of this device after this round 2. So guys, this was the gameplay, and you can see the battery has dropped to 69% and the temperature has risen to 35 Celsius. So guys, this was the gaming review of Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and I am somewhat impressed by the performance of this device, but there are few lags as you can see in the Asphalt 8, although it has heated the back of the device a bit, but overall performance on this device is great. So that is guys, this was the gaming review of Huawei Mate 10 Lite, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.